McGreggor The Canary, or Self-Pollution, written by Dorothy Fryman. As I walked o'er the pit yard, 'twas one summer's day, I overheard two pitmen, and these words to me did say: the air below is getting foul with gas and dust and all, and anyone descending will be lost beyond recall. What you need is a pit canary, the aged miner said. You send it down and pull it up and see if it is dead. It's the perfect solution for the state of the air below, for if the birdie doesn't sing, the miner doesn't go. I have a great idea which is bound to cause your thanks. Instead of a pit canary, why don't we ask the Yanks? We'll put McGregor in the cage and send him down below. And if McGregor doesn't sing, the miner doesn't go. Thus said two striking miners, and the others all agreed. To put McGregor in the cage would satisfy their need. And then the aged miner said, you'll find that no solution, for when Mac comes up he'll be dead. Why? Self-pollution.